Once again, welcome from Easy Elite English. We have got basic rules for better and fluent speaking, and there is a guaranteed fluency improvement techniques. Guaranteed fluency improvement technique, a toolkit which will help you to make your English speaking more fluent. So, for better and more fluent English speaking, here we have a lesson, a set of rules, a set of methods, a set of techniques for beginners so that they can improve their English. And this is a mobile view special, means you can view it on your mobile. All the text would be absolutely clear. So guaranteed fluency improvement technique, a set of tools, a set of methods from Easy Elite English. For beginners, start from small phrase am. Don't say I am. No, it's not I am, it's am. Don't say you are. You are. He's, she's, they are, we are. Practice saying these things. And also practice saying at home. Don't say at home. There should be no gap. At home, in school, in office, in the garden, on duty, on time, at work. There should be no pause or gap between these words. In school, together. In the garden, don't say in the garden or in the garden. No, that is not the way to say. You will say in the garden, in office, on duty. You will say it together without any break or pause. Now, after you have mastered am, you are, his, and also you have mastered at home, in school, in office, after you have mastered this one, you are able to say without any break or without any hesitation. Then let us see the next part of practice. Now join the two columns and say am at home, he's at home, they are at home, he's in school, we are in school, she's in school, am in the garden, he's in the garden, they are in the garden, we are on duty, he's on duty, am on duty, she's on duty, it's on time, am on time, he's on time. Now enlarge by adding an extra word. You said I'm at home, I'm always at home. You said he's at home, he's never at home. You're adding now. Instead of saying they are at home, you're saying they are now at home. He's in school now. We are in school, you said, so we are not in school. You have said she's in school, she's probably in school. You said I'm in the garden, I'm enjoying myself in the garden. You said he is in the garden, now say he is relaxing in the garden. So add one extra word so that the sentence will become a bit longer. Similarly, these words in italics we have added. Instead of saying they are in the garden, say they are playing in the garden. Instead of saying we are on duty, say we are on duty today. He is on duty since morning. I am on emergency duty. She is not on duty now. It's always on time. You said it's on time, say it's always on time. I'm often on time. He is never on time. So you have made the sentence a little longer, a longer sentence by adding one or two words. So practice these short sentences. I enjoy playing football. Delhi is the capital of India. He speaks French like a native. I don't know Urdu. He was my best teacher. My mother used to work in a bank. My father is a businessman. He is a contractor working in Dubai. I have two brothers. My brothers recently visited London. My village is very beautiful. Oh, thank you. Sorry, I didn't see you. Now, after you have practiced and you are confident, fairly confident with these things, now you can proceed. Small passages or short stories, where the vocabulary is at your comfort level. It doesn't contain a lot of unknown words. You can even take a primary level school children's storybook. It's an apple. Now, pauses are important. You can pause before but not after articles, prepositions, determiners, and conjunction. Like it's an apple. An apple, you have to say it together. There should be no pause between an and apple. My father is at home. My father, say it together. And at home. There is no pause between at and home. I'm tired of spam calls. Of spam calls. Spam mails. It should be together. I visited London, Paris, and Japan. London, pause. Paris, pause. And Japan. And Japan should be together. There should be no break between and Japan. And Japan together. Delhi is the capital of India. Of India together. Of India. You're tall, but I'm not. But I'm not. It should be together. Do not pause after the word but. There should be no pause or no gap. But you're tall together. But I'm not. But I'm not. It should be together. There's no pause here. Now practice using contractions. Instead of saying I am, say am. Instead of saying he is, say his. Have. Can't. Don't say cannot, say can't. Won't. Wouldn't. Don't say would not, say wouldn't. Practice contractions. The aspiration sound of H retards fluency. So saying words like has, have, had, don't say has, have, because the aspiration sound will hamper your fluency. So minimize the aspiration sound. So I'm going to London. We have underlined. So you will break it into these components and you will say these together. I'm going to London by the evening flight. What's the latest news of the polls? A new employee, till then there is no pause, then has joined our office. My flat is on the second floor of this building. It was a very horrible incident. Mangoes are sold at 10 for a rupee. The child is quite happy with her aunt. He goes to office by the pool car. The underlined set of words should be said together without any pause or break between them. So we have divided each sentence into 2 or 3 components. Each component should be said together. That was Easy Late English. Write to us, WhatsApp us for more such videos on any topic. Remember that all our services are entirely free of charge. Till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.